Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I am bringing you my intro to the deck of panning project pan that was created by Emily and Max. So if you want to hear all of the details, see everything that we're rolling in, then let's go ahead and get on into it. So like I said, this was created by Emily and Max, and she took this from Books with Maddie, who did like a booktuber thing. But you use a deck of cards to pick your prompts. This goes from January 20th to December 20th. And you start with 5 prompts. It's rolling style. And there's a Google Doc listed below with the game board and the prompt details. Everything's listed really nicely. The face cards stay the same all year. The veto is randomly placed on the game board every month because that changes. And the Joker, Are You Joking Me, is something that you really don't want to pan. Please don't hate pan something, but it's something that's a challenge, something you covet and never want to use because you love it, or something you save for a special occasion, something along those lines. Otherwise, everything else on the game board, I believe, shuffles every month. So let's go ahead and get into it. I currently can't find my deck of cards. So I know they're in my car, but I so we're gonna use an app, well, not an app, but like a random card generator. I'm gonna screen record it. You guys will see it. I'm so sorry. But I think it'll be okay. So these is what the face cards look like. So for red, hearts and diamonds, the ace is pick up 2. So then you would have an extra prompt. So then you'd be working on 6 prompts instead of 5. The jack is an indie product. Queen is pick your space, but you have to stay in those suits. So you could pick from hearts. Or, well, like, if you got the Queen of Hearts, you'd have to stay in Hearts. If you got the Queen of Diamonds, you'd have to stay in Diamonds. If you don't understand any of the prompts, that's what the prompt list is for, and it goes in alphabetical order, and it explains everything. The King is No Pan Left Behind. For the black, the clubs and spades side. Ace is Baby Goal. Jack is Mainstream. The Queen is also Pick Your Space. And the King is Focus. And then, of course, we have Are You Joking? And then I believe you're just supposed to put 1 joker in your deck. So this is a look now at just the regular, the board itself. So I haven't really looked at it. I don't want to look at it. I just want to roll our 5 cards and get on into it. So this is Missing Dice. This is the random playing card shuffler I found that I liked. I went through like 6 of them just to look through, and this is the one I liked. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to screen record because I can actually show you. If we go down to options, all the cards are selected, and then I also have the black joker selected. So we do have our 1. And then I will go ahead and shuffle, and we will pick our 5 cards. So we have the King of Spades. So King of Spades. We have There Ain't No Way. King of Diamonds. Jack of Hearts. Okay. Jack of Hearts. The 5 of Clubs was not a very nice shuffle to me. And then the 10 of Hearts. 10 of Hearts. So, let's go see what those are. for you guys again. The game board's right here. So let's do the face cards first, and then we'll go to the regular cards. So for King of Spades, that is a focus product. So something I've wanted to focus on. I know exactly what I'm going to pick for that. So that is fantastic. In fact, let me grab it right here. Next, we have King of Diamonds, which is No Pan Left Behind. No Pan Left Behind. I will have to look and see what kind of palette I want to No Pan Left Behind, but that's fine. We have Jack of Hearts. That's indie. Okie dokie. And then from the regular board, we have 5 of Clubs. So that is a spray. I'm already working on 2 sprays. But okay. And then the 10 of Hearts is Dethroned. Ugh. I'm so annoyed about this. So I'm going to go pick all of my products and I'll be back so we can swatch them and talk about them and all of that. That took forever for me to figure out what I wanted to do. So, for King of Spades, that was a focus item. I'm going to go with my Nude Sticks Blur Stick, and it just rolled out of a project, so I probably won't start on this for a second because I still need to film that this rolled out of that project. But this is all that's left, and that's with the plastic rolled up. I do not like this. This is the shade. So it's the Nude Stick Nudies Tinted Blur Stick. I have the shade Light 1. Why is it so, like, it looks like it would be a good shade for me, but on the face, it's so pink. Like, I have never had a foundation be so almost, like, so cool tone that it's almost purple. So I want to finish this because there's so little left. So that's going to be that goal. For King of Diamonds, that's No Pan Left Behind, I'm going to use my Milani Ungilded Most Love Mattes. So I'm going to hold it back here so you don't see the progress. I am currently working on Busta Mauve in a different project, but I'm going to use every shade in this palette, so I am going to use this one time for this, but I'm going to use every other shade as well for this, for No Pan Left Behind, because then it'll be nice. I will have touched every shade in this palette. I will be happy with that. For Jack of Hearts, that was indie. I just got this from Triblex Beauty in my PR. This is the Wednesday palette, and I just want to do one look with it. Hopefully that means we'll have a rollout for next month anyway, but yeah, I just want to do a look. I want to feature this one more time. Maybe in a short on here, maybe just on TikTok and Instagram, I don't know. But I want to do a look with this. And then, so for the 5 of Clubs spray, like I said, we have, this is the Laura Mercier Translucent Pure Setting Spray, 16 hours. It's a little mini. I just got this in my Ipsy Glam bag, and I'm just putting a 10 use goal on this because, like I said, I am working on 2 other sprays in projects. One is to finish. The other one I think has a 10 use goal. It has a usage goal. I don't remember what the usage goal is. But we're going to see how far 10 uses gets us. I need to weigh all these. Why am I putting them away? Because going for updates, I'm going to start having weights on things. And then last but not least, we have 10 of Hearts, which was dethroned, which that's the one that took me a million years to figure out what I wanted. So what I'm putting in is the Beaute Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Stick. Long name. And this one's in the shade Caramel Matte, which looks like this. I've never used this one. I've used the other one that I have. They're so soft. I am going to hurry up and take this off my hand real quick before it dries down, because then it's not going to come off easily. So, the reason why I'm putting this in is dethroned. Also, these have one of those like spongies on the other side, which I haven't tried to use. Maybe I should. I love the About Face eyeshadow sticks. I only have one, but like it was my ride or die favorite eyeshadow stick. That shadow stick is what got me into keeping and purchasing eyeshadow sticks. It's been my favorite. These are now my favorite. I want every color matte. I don't like shimmer eyeshadow sticks. I use these as bases, but these are now my favorite. These are fantastic. Because they are cream to powder. Like, you put them down, you blend them out. They go down. They are amazing. And I love these so much. So yes, these have dethroned. I probably won't buy another About Face eyeshadow stick. Now, the matte fluid eye paints from About Face, I don't know if anything will ever dethrone those. But these are now my favorite eyeshadow sticks. So I'm putting this in for a 10-use goal because, you know, that's what I'm thinking for usage goals on things. Like, unless the prompt says something different. Otherwise, I'm thinking 10 uses will be good. But, yeah. Those are our 5 prompts. I can't believe we got 3 face cards. At least they were, you know, they were different. We got a black, a red, and then a jack. Like, it wasn't the end of the world. We didn't get the Joker. That's what matters. We didn't get that. So that's going to do it for my intro. I'm so excited to be doing this project. I talked about it all last year, if you're new here, about wanting to do this project this year. So I'm just through the moon. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys in the next one, hopefully. If you stick around, I would appreciate it. Bye, guys.